I resisted acceptance for so long. You know, when someone's said something that just doesn't resonate with you, when someone's triggered you or appeared to trigger you, when something's happened in the external world that you don't like or you wish hadn't happened, or when you find yourself, like I said, going on a trip that you thought was going to be the trip of your life, and next thing you know, you're in an argument with your partner 1 minute in, and you think everything's ruined. Well, when we can accept in the moment, we allow ourselves to drop into that space of surrender, of letting go. And in that moment, when we've let go of the resistance, we are far better placed to respond to life in a much more authentic way, in a way that is aligned with the essence of who we really are. And that is the power of acceptance. Now, like I said, I used to resist that. I used to resist it, and what the resistance created was more frustration, more anger. And I'm not accepting that. That's not fair. This shouldn't have happened. This is what I expected. So we create our own psychological suffering by remaining in that cycle, in that pattern. And yet the quickest, most effortless way is radical acceptance in the moment. Okay, this is what's shown up. This is what's happening. Because once we accept it, we then create awareness. And the awareness allows us the opportunity to make a new choice on how we respond, but also potentially a new choice on how we influence the situation to a much more positive outcome.